DIY gifts are a wonderful way to show someone you care. Creating a gift by hand not only makes it unique but also adds a personal touch that store-bought items often lack. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just starting out, there are plenty of easy DIY gift ideas that will impress your loved ones. Here are some easy DIY gift ideas to inspire you. 1. Custom candles. Create candles in jars using soy or beeswax, essential oils, and candle wicks. You can customize the scent, color, and container to suit the recipient's taste. Add dried flowers or spices for an extra touch of elegance. 2. Handmade soap. Making soap is easier than you might think. You can use a melt and pour soap base and add your own colors, scents, and molds to create custom bars. Add dried herbs or exfoliants like oatmeal for a luxurious touch. 3. Baked goods. Whip up a batch of cookies, brownies, or bread for a delicious and thoughtful gift. Package them in a decorative tin or jar for a beautiful presentation. Add a personalized recipe card for an extra special touch. 4. Photo collage or scrapbook. Gather photos and memories to create a photo collage or scrapbook. This thoughtful gift allows you to celebrate shared moments and milestones. Add captions, stickers, and embellishments for a personal touch. 5. Infused oils or vinegars. Infused oils and vinegars are great for culinary enthusiasts. Simply combine your choice of herbs, spices, or fruit peels with olive oil or vinegar and let it sit for a few weeks. Strain and pour into decorative bottles for a beautiful gift. 6. Bath salts. Create a spa-like experience with a jar of homemade bath salts. Combine Epsom salts, essential oils, and dried flowers or herbs in a jar. Customize the scent and ingredients based on the recipient's preferences. 7. Painted planters. Paint small terracotta pots with vibrant colors or patterns and plant succulents or herbs inside. These cute, personalized planters make excellent gifts for green thumbs or home decor enthusiasts. 8. Homemade jam. Preserve seasonal fruits by making homemade jam. Boil fruit, sugar, and pectin to create a delicious spread. Pour the jam into sterilized jars and add decorative labels for a charming presentation. 9. Knitted or crocheted accessories. If you know how to knit or crochet, create accessories like scarves, hats, or mittens. Choose soft, cozy yarns in the recipient's favorite colors for a heartfelt gift. 10. Decorative coasters. Create custom coasters using materials like tiles, cork, or wood. Decorate them with paint, fabric, or photos for a unique set of coasters that can protect surfaces while adding a stylish touch. 11. Decorated mugs. Personalize plain ceramic mugs using oil-based paint markers or special ceramic paint. Add the recipient's name, favorite quotes, or artistic designs for a unique and practical gift. After decorating, bake the mug in the oven to set the design. 12. Homemade body scrub. Create a luxurious body scrub by combining sugar or salt with a nourishing oil such as coconut or almond oil. Add essential oils for fragrance and, if desired, natural colorants like beetroot powder. Package the scrub in a cute jar with a ribbon for a beautiful presentation. 13. Customized tote bags. Purchase plain canvas tote bags and decorate them with fabric paint, markers, or iron-on transfers. Create designs that reflect the recipient's personality, interests, or favorite motifs. Tote bags are practical gifts that can be used daily. 14. Memory jars. Fill a decorative jar with notes, memories, or special moments you've shared with the recipient. Decorate the jar with ribbon or paint and encourage them to open it whenever they need a little reminder of your friendship or love. 15. Handmade jewelry design. Custom jewelry pieces such as necklaces, bracelets, or earrings. Use beads, charms, and findings to create beautiful accessories that match the recipient's style. Package the jewelry in a small box or pouch for a special touch. 16. Herb Garden Kit. Put together a kit with small pots, soil, and packets of herb seeds. Include instructions for planting and caring for the herbs. This gift is perfect for cooking enthusiasts or those who love fresh herbs. 17. Homemade scented sachets. Create scented sachets filled with dried lavender, rose petals, or potpourri. These sachets can be placed in drawers, closets, or cars to add a pleasant fragrance to any space. 18. Hand-painted picture frames. Purchase plain wooden frames and decorate them with acrylic paint, markers, or decoupage techniques. Insert a meaningful photo before gifting for a personalized touch. 19. DIY terrarium. Build a mini garden in a glass container using succulents, moss, rocks, and sand. Terrariums are low maintenance and can add a touch of greenery to any room. 20. Homemade lip balm. Make your own lip balm using natural ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, and essential oils. Pour the mixture into small containers or lip balm tubes for a nourishing and practical gift. 21. Embroidered handkerchiefs. Personalize plain handkerchiefs with embroidered initials, flowers, or patterns. Handkerchiefs are a timeless and practical gift that can be used daily. 22. DIY room spray. Create a custom room spray using distilled water, vodka or witch hazel, and essential oils. Mix different scents to create a signature fragrance that the recipient will love. 23. Homemade granola. Bake a batch of homemade granola using oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Package the granola in mason jars or decorative bags for a delicious and nutritious gift. 24. DIY beeswax wraps. Make eco-friendly beeswax wraps using beeswax, cotton fabric, and pine resin. These wraps can be used as an alternative to plastic cling wrap for storing food. 25. Personalized stationery set. Create a set of personalized stationery with the recipient's name or initials. Include blank cards, envelopes, and maybe even a custom-designed stamp for a thoughtful and practical gift. 26. Homemade infused honey. Infuse honey with flavors like vanilla, cinnamon, or lavender by steeping ingredients in warmed honey. Transfer the infused honey to decorative jars for a sweet and flavorful gift. 27. DIY candles in teacups. Repurpose old teacups by filling them with melted wax, wicks, and scents to create unique candles. These charming candles add a cozy touch to any space. 28. Customized recipe book. Compile a collection of favorite recipes, handwritten or printed, and bind them into a personalized recipe book. Include family recipes, cooking tips, and space for the recipient to add their own creations. 29. Homemade hot cocoa mix. Layer ingredients like cocoa powder, sugar, and marshmallows in a jar to create a homemade hot cocoa mix. Attach a recipe card with instructions for making a cozy cup of cocoa. 30. DIY beaded keychains. Craft keychains using colorful beads, charms, and key rings. Personalize each keychain with initials, symbols, or small trinkets for a fun and practical gift. DIY gifts are a beautiful way to show your thoughtfulness and creativity. With these easy ideas, you can make gifts that will delight your friends and loved ones and create lasting memories. Happy crafting!